Exposing the power of volcanoes and their hidden secrets. Let's crack open some volcanic facts. Volcanoes are Earth's natural fireworks, but they're more than just a pretty show. They release lava, ash, and gases that can shape landscapes and even create new islands. Some eruptions are so powerful they can change the climate. And here's a wild fact: volcanic ash can turn into diamonds under extreme pressure. So next time you see a volcano, remember it's not just smoke and lava, it's nature's way of shaking things up.